Good morning. Today's day 12. I am not put together today because today's my day off, so frankly I don't really care. I'm about to cook me some breakfast, which would be eggs and sardines. I'm about to pull out some ribeye that I have gotten from Costco, and I really like theirs because it's a little bit thicker than anywhere else I've gotten. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'll probably be switching out a room today so that way I can have a office space. It has better lighting and everything. And I'm also wearing Kelly Hogan's Team Meat shirt. I really like the fit. This is extra large. It's great to sleep in too. I did really well yesterday with drinking water. I've been really bad about that. I've been trying to do a gallon a day. I know that a lot of people will say you should just drink when you're thirsty. A lot of times that can affect your brain and your memory function, especially in the summer, when you can easily get dehydrated, and especially in the South when it's so humid, it's hard to remember to drink water. But when you're in a dry area, like when I used to live in Texas, I would think about drinking water because it was just so dry. But here in Memphis, when it's humid, you don't really think about it because you're already feeling the humidity. Water, just like thinking about water just isn't something to think about. I'll probably post a picture of my food. And one of these days I'll have a little bit more detailed growing up experience as far as how food was and all the other things, how my binge eating started when I was in high school, things like that. So stay tuned for that. I changed my mind. I wanted beef hot dogs, and I'll eat the sardines later.